In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about getting started with Notion, using Google and great Notion support services. The first step is to open your web browser and search for Notion. In most cases, you'll see Notion as the first link in the search results. Go ahead and click on that link to reach Notion's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a Login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by following the on-screen instructions. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your Notion homepage. One of the first things you'll want to do is click on Add New. This is where the magic happens as you start customizing your workspace. When the options pop up, you'll see choices like Empty Page, Empty Database, or Build with AI. For this demonstration, I'll select Empty Page, but feel free to choose what suits your needs best. Now, your creativity comes into play as you design your Notion page. You can begin by adding a title. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your pages organized and easily identifiable. Below the title, you have the option to add content. Whether it's notes, plans, or reminders, this is your space to make it your own. Notion also allows you to add a personal touch by including an icon. You can pick an emoji or select from Notion's inbuilt icons to set the tone or mood for your page. Furthermore, there's the option to choose a color and highlight aspects of your content, providing a visual cue for what's important. For even more personalization, you can add a cover to your page. To do that, click on Change Cover to select or upload an image that resonates with the theme or purpose of your page. Now let's explore some practical functionalities. Typing, opens up a list of commands where you can quickly format text, insert media, or add complex structures like a table. For instance, if you want to create a table, simply type it in, and Notion will set it up for you. Notion's capabilities don't stop there. By engaging with Notion AI, you can have it edit your page, making adjustments easier if you're pressed for time or seeking inspiration. Pose any question or need to Notion AI, such as creating a task tracker, and it will be ready to assist you. Remember, these tools are here to enhance your productivity and organization, so feel free to explore and experiment. I hope this guide helps you navigate and utilize Notion effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!